To install Chrome extension on your Chrome browser, you can try this browser built on Google's open source Chromium project. The browser is known as Ultimatum, and the support for the Kiwi Browser has been discontinued. People were in search for an alternative that can support Chrome extensions. Now here the Ultimatum Browser, that looks, works and functions exactly like Google Chrome, supports Google Chrome extensions. You can download the APK directly. I will provide the link in the description. So to install the extension, click on the menu icon, click on Extensions, here click on Ultimatum Web Store. It will redirect you to Chrome Web Store. Now click on the menu option again, and click on Desktop Site. Once that desktop site is loaded, simply search for the extension. Now once here, you can find Add to Chrome button, click on it, and the extension will soon be added to the Extensions tab. Similarly, you can install as many Chrome extensions as possible. I would also try installing the AdBlocker extension. Simply search for any AdBlocker that you wish to install. Now click on Add to Chrome and extension will be added to your Chrome browser. It's pretty simple and easy, and you can install as many Chrome extensions as you wish from Chrome Web Store. But the mobile web environment has some limitations, so although extensions may not be compatible or supported or function as intended on a mobile browser, but still you can install as many Chrome applications on your browser and check which one works for you and supports your requirement. I hope the video was helpful. If you have any question, do comment below.